So here at St. Albert, on the technology committee, we work with the faculty very closely. We meet with them every month to talk about what is working in the classroom, what is not working in the classroom, how can we help educate the students. We have a lot of technology here at St. Albert, but all of it has a purpose. All of it is designed to enhance the educational process. Without that, it's just kids using computers. And it turns out that kids just using computers is not all that important. What is important is that we educate the students. And technology and computers are one tool of many that we use to educate the students.
The majority of our middle school teachers have Google Classrooms set up, and I also have one for every student, grades 8 through 1. And Google Classrooms is a way that teachers can assign work to students. The students can work on the assignment and then actually turn it in electronically. In the past year, I've seen how Google Classrooms has helped our students with their assignments. The teachers last year in 6th grade spent a lot of time using Google Docs, Google Sheets, and different Google apps to create assignments. I have not had to spend that time teaching it to them, so I've been able to incorporate different projects into the 7th grade curriculum. With using Google products, I'm teaching the students more of the concept of word processing instead of how to navigate through Microsoft Word. I would love for parents to know how excited I am and proud I am of their students. They are like little sponges, and they are soaking up all of this information, especially the little ones. They've really surpassed my expectations for them.
In the 6th grade, we have the one-to-one program. Each student has their own Chromebook, which they come to class with charged, ready for the day. We're able to use it to enhance our curriculum, engage the students. They are very excited. Having each student have their own device has changed the classroom in that each of the students seems to be more responsible for the work that they're working on. They collaborate with one another with the Google Docs. So in group work, they can be working with somebody that is absent. They can be working with somebody across the room. It doesn't have to be that they need to be together. So that has really opened up the whole classroom in that we're even outside the perimeters of the room. As a teacher, we're able to gauge how the students are doing by sending them assessments along the way in the way of a Google form, where I can assess within just one question or maybe 2 or 3 questions if they have grasped the understanding of my lesson, and then either move forward or reteach in another way.
One of the fundamentals that we run our program on is the idea of fitting the tool to the need, not the need to the tool. And so what that means is asking the teachers and the administration, what is it that you want to accomplish, and then what technology can help achieve that, as opposed to saying, hey, we have a bunch of iPads, let's see what we can do with them, or hey, we have a whole computer lab of computers that are capable of doing this thing, like what else can we do with them? So we try to answer the need, meet the need with the tools, as opposed to saying, these are the tools we have, here's all the stuff we could do with them.
So the whole point of what we're doing here is we're trying to use technology to make students think about the curriculum subjects in a different way. It's not just typing skills. It's not just learning how to word process. It's thinking about social studies and science and all your other subjects in a deeper way. When you can take something, when you can take a cell diagram from biology and you can design that up on a CAD screen and then print it out on a 3D printer and hold it in your hand, and you can see the light go on in the child's eyes and say, wow, that's cool. That's making a student think about it in a different way. That's the good stuff. That's what we're going for here at St. Albert.